In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how to withdraw funds from your Betmgm account successfully. Before you withdraw, it's essential to ensure your account is verified and that you've met the necessary bonus requirements. Let's open the Betmgm app and access the withdrawal section. It's straightforward, just follow these steps. Betmgm offers several withdrawal methods, including bank transfers, e-wallets, and checks. Choose the one that works best for you. Consider factors like processing time and fees to choose the right withdrawal method for your needs. Here are detailed instructions on how to execute each withdrawal method. Follow along closely. Let's talk about processing times and any fees associated with your chosen withdrawal method. Sometimes, users may encounter issues during withdrawal. Here are some common problems and troubleshooting tips. To ensure a smooth withdrawal experience, keep these final tips in mind and maintain your account regularly. To recap, understanding the withdrawal process is key. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more.